In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Ticketmaster presale code. The first thing you'll want to do is go to Ticketmaster and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, create an account before you start looking for tickets. This is important because presale access often moves quickly, and having your account ready ahead of time can save you valuable minutes when tickets become available. Once you're signed in, search for the event you're interested in and open the event page. On that page, look closely at the presale details. Ticketmaster usually lists what kind of presale is available, when it starts, and whether you need a code or special access to participate. Reading these details carefully helps you understand exactly what type of presale you may qualify for. If the event offers an artist presale, check whether the artist requires advance registration. Some tours make fans sign up before the presale date, and if that step is required, you'll want to complete it as early as possible. Missing the registration window can mean missing access entirely. You should also check whether the artist has an official fan club, newsletter, or mailing list. In many cases, exclusive presale codes are sent to fans through those channels. Joining these official lists can improve your chances of receiving presale access information directly. Next, see if the venue or event promoter is running its own presale. A lot of venues and promoters send presale details through their email updates, so signing up for those notifications can be another useful way to get access. Different presales may happen at different times, so having more than one possible source can be helpful. Another thing to look for is a credit card presale. Some events offer special early access for eligible card holders. In those cases, you may need to use a qualifying card to complete the purchase, and sometimes the access code is connected to the card information. Be sure to check the event details so you know what's required before the presale begins. After that, keep an eye on your email. Your presale code, registration confirmation, or special access instructions are often sent shortly before the presale opens. It's a good idea to check your inbox carefully so you don't miss the message. When the presale goes live, sign into Ticketmaster, enter your code, if one is required, choose your tickets, and complete your purchase as quickly as possible. Presale inventory can move fast, so being logged in and ready ahead of time makes the process much smoother.